We're a bit in the shade now. We're gonna do the green stalk. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So what I'm gonna do now is, I've just been doing a whole bunch of stuff, me and Terry in the garden. But I wanna get the strawberry runners planted. So I bought the berry cups from Angel Farmer online. I'll link it all below. That's where I got one of my green stalks. The other one I got from Garden Girl. In Canada, you can't, green stalk doesn't ship up here. So you have to buy it from someone else. So, and I got these little plastic kegs to put in there. And then I'm gonna use the potting soil there and worm castings. So we're gonna get those done today. Can you hand me to cut this open?
Orange ones?
Doesn't matter, yeah. Just want to get this cut open. It's hot. It's gonna be hot this week. Oh, I make Terry do all my heavy lifting sometimes. The poor guy. He never stops. They're so cute, and they just clip on the green stalk. So we're just gonna fill these up. He probably went inside. Did you go inside? He went inside. He doesn't like to be on camera. So I only got 12 of these to start. You can buy like just green ones off of Amazon. I know like you can get them on Temu and everything too. Like there's other places, not these ones, but like just plain green cups you can get to hook on. So many different places, but I wanted to have these ones. So that's why I picked them up. Now next year in the garden, I am going to just use worm castings and the soil from Sydney Landscaping, and then like what I used the first year. And then I am going to redo my green stalks and do worm castings and a different soil, maybe potting mix like this, like that one. It's getting really hot outside right now, and my camera went off because it overheated, so I gotta kind of put it, it's gonna overheat again probably. We gotta be fixed. Well, it is, it's just because there's no pressure. What? Just leave it for a while. I am trying to clean these up. just don't want the energy of the plant to go into these broken leaves and these ones that are not letting go. That's why I'm cutting them down. I might put some of that soil in some of these too to give it a little bit more fertilizer because it's got worm castings in it. We are almost ready to call it a day. It's really hot out. I'm going to bring this wheelbarrow in here with this dirt in it so I can use it for something else. Now I'm going to go in and relax and take a shower. It is 11:39, so we were out there for a couple hours getting all that stuff done. What we got done was I'm just going to sit in the living room for a minute because it is hot. It looks like Terry put the little air conditioner back on and closed the windows, which is great. So, all right. We got the little strawberry cups on, which was perfect, and the runners, and we really cleaned those up for the last couple weeks. It's okay if I don't get strawberries from them this year. They are ever-bearing, so they might still come up. I just want to get them really healthy and established, and not this year, and then next year we'll worry about the berries and stuff. We planted the peonies and the black currants. Those really needed to be put in the ground, and I ended up putting just some chicken manure fertilizer in with them, so hopefully they're good because those black currants were starting to turn black. So those are in the ground now. The peonies are in the ground. The Rose of Sharon is in the cut flower garden, so that'll be there until it gets a bit bigger, and then we'll move it. I planted more sunflowers and zinnias in the cut flower garden so that they come up. Those only took like 30 days to reach full maturity, so I think we're gonna get a lot. I put down one of those like hoses with the holes in it, but because that tote is just, there's no power to it, it's just gravity fed, it takes forever and stuff, so might just have to put the other one on it and then just deal with it not coming out heavy. Terry changed the hose on this side, which is much better to have that skinnier hose to move around. I love that my paper moons are coming up and those flowers and the straw flowers are coming up. My peas are gonna have to come out. I'm going away on the weekend, so I'm not even gonna be here on the weekend to do anything this coming weekend. I'll have to find time to do it at night if it's not too hot. Tomorrow Dexter goes to the vet. I have to sedate her a bit tonight. I took her to the vet last week because she's 15 and she's really skinny. She lost a lot of weight in the last few months, and I just want to make sure she's good, give her a check over. And they tried to do blood work, but she was not nice to them. She was hissing and stuff. So they said, we'll give you something to sedate her before, like at night, the night before, and then 3 hours before the appointment. So that's tomorrow at 2:45. So I have to do that with her, put her in her room, try and get a urine sample. How do you get a urine sample for a cat? I don't know, it's weird. So I'm gonna try and do that. Tonight, I have stock on the stove that's really low simmering that I have to put in jars and then pressure can, because I cleaned out the freezers and I had so many chicken carcasses in there, and I'm like, well, I don't want to throw them out. I'd rather make stock with them, so I have stock for a while. And I have spaghetti cooking. I have to get my shepherd's pie all done up, but if I don't do that today, that's fine, because the beef is in the fridge cooked, so I could always do that later or tomorrow. My main thing was to have meals that are easy when I get home from work, so I don't have to stop and get something, because that's what I've known that I've been doing, because to get into the office, it's an hour there and an hour back, and by the time I'm just exhausted and I'm not thinking ahead, and I really need to think ahead so I don't go out and just buy takeout and that. So that's something that I'm trying to work on, because I'm not at home as much as I was last summer. And I'm just really busy because my normal bookkeeping job, and then this, and then I started a podcast, a true crime podcast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of just me doing some stuff around the house. I think I'm gonna put some of it in 2 videos. So if you see me twice like this, it's because I'm ending it the same, so I only have to do one ending, because I did a lot of stuff today. Terry did a lot of stuff, so I might put in a couple videos and stuff like that. I am getting, my allergies are coming out. I'm sniffling. I'm very nasally all the time. I don't know if you guys can tell. I try to edit it out, but sometimes I don't get it. I get really like nasally and that. And so I was out there from about 9:45 to 11:45. So now we got a lot done. Terry's still out there working. And I think there's some lemonade for Terry and me with my ninja slushie. I'm gonna make a slushie, frozen lemonade, because we deserve it. Anyway, all right, that was me rambling for a while. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos and everything we did today. I really appreciate you guys being here and watching me and supporting me, and leave me a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.